my channel. It's your girl Sella. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. To all my fellow subscribers, make sure you hit that notification bell and to find out when I post, my next new video. Make sure you guys like, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let's get straight into it. Before we start this amazing video, I just want to let you guys know that this video is not sponsored at all by Apple. I spent all my hard-working coins to do this video for you guys, which means that I'm giving a 100% real review, because on this channel, I'm gonna always give it to you raw, real, and uncut. So I haven't really been recording like I wanted to weekly because I'm getting over a cold, so that's why my voice sounds kind of weird. So if my voice goes up and down and fluctuates, stuff like that, it's because I'm just now really getting my voice back. And anyways, now that's out the way. In this video today, you guys, we are not only going to be unboxing, but we are going to be trying on every single iPhone 12 Pro Max Apple silicone case in every color. Every color, like no lie. We're going to be doing every single color because I know how tedious it could be to try to pick out an iPhone case, especially with COVID going on and people doing a lot of online shopping. I know I do a whole bunch of online shopping. So I decided to make this video for you guys, just in case you guys wanted to see what it looks like on the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pacific Blue, and you didn't want to buy all the iPhone cases like I did, and you just wanted to get a specific color because maybe, some people want to see if that color goes with this phone. Me, on the other hand, I could care less about if a color goes with the phone case or how this phone case looks on my phone. Phone case is a phone case. But for those of you who do care, this is that video for you guys, and we're gonna have fun with this. So let's get straight into it. Okay, you guys, so we are going to get into this unboxing video and case review video. I don't want to hold you guys up too long with so much talking, so we're gonna get straight into it. We're gonna randomly select a color to choose from. How about we try with this specific blue looks like on this case first. And just for the record, if you guys do not or never bought an Apple iPhone case, this is what it looks like, and this is how it comes. Apple always gotta outdo them. And okay, so yeah, we're just gonna rip it off like that because my nails are not letting me be great. And oh my god, look how pretty. Hold up, you guys. We have, okay, so it comes with this little plastic cover, and wow. And look, they even have instructions on how to how to put on this case. So we're gonna get all the rest of these cases out the way. And so this case is called, I don't even know what color this case is called. What color is this case called, you guys? Ooh. Okay, so this case right here, you guys, is called the Deep Navy case. And my phone is actually turned off right now. So when you click put on the phone, the color is supposed to come up for the case or what color case you have. But like I said, my phone is off. And this is what that color looks like. And I don't know, I'm not a big leather person, but I am a big silicone person. And I just like how this feels in my hand. This navy goes perfect with the Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you guys were thinking about getting that color, that's what it looks like. Let's take that out. Yeah. So, the color is pretty obvious. This is just an all white Apple silicone case. And just like in the other box, you have your plastic. And you just pop it out like that. as well as your instructions on how to put the case on. So we're gonna place that in here. And look at that. Now this white is icy. I love an all white anything. I like getting my nails done in all white. All white is just, you know, freaking amazing to me. And this is what it looks like with your specific blue. You can't even tell what color your phone is if you know, unless you want to look at this. But from the front, you can't really tell. So I feel like any case would go with this. Any color case would go with this. Oh my God, I'm struggling. And next we're gonna do Plum. I feel like this case right here is gonna be my favorite color case. I don't know why, but I just have a feeling that it is. So let's get into this. And once again, you have your plastic and how to put on an iPhone case. Instructions. So I'm gonna put this on here and look at that color, y'all. Look at that plum color. Like, oh my God, like I'm in love with it already, and I haven't even begun to use my phone. You guys, I still use my iPhone 10. I have not set up this phone or nothing, and I promise you guys after this video I am going to do that. But look at this case, and look, oh my God, that blue and that plum, oh my God, it goes so well together. Whoo, I think I'm really gonna like it. I think this color right here is gonna be a fan favorite. Apple, y'all did y'all thing when y'all came out with this plum color. So the next box we are going to unbox and open is pink citrus, y'all. This reminds me of, like, I don't know, like pink lemonade, something like that. Bam. Same thing. Pop that. iPhone instructions. I'm gonna grab this beautiful iPhone over here. Move those out the way because don't nobody use those. And pink and blue. Who would have ever thought this would be such a lovely combination to look at? Pink and blue, you guys. And this, like, pink is like a highlighter pink color. You know, it's like a hot pink. And it is pretty. I absolutely love it. This right here is actually going to be one of my favorites too, you know, when I want to stand out and pull out my big iPhone 12 Pro Max. And everybody's going to know because of this highlighter pink case. Pink citrus, you guys. Pink citrus. That's going to be one of my favorites. So, next one we're going to do. I didn't even really want to spend my money on this case, but I only spent my money on this case to do this review. This was like my least favorite color. Just by looking at it, it just looks so dull. And it reminds me of the Army for some reason. It's like a dirty green. And they call this color, you guys, Cypress Green. So yeah, this gives me Army vibes. Definitely getting Army vibes from this case. And voila. It's not giving me wow. It's not giving me bam. Like, it's not giving me none of that. It's just like, you know, I guess this is for like the boring people. I don't know. But this is probably going to be one of my least favorite cases. Probably won't be putting my phone in this case that often. Y'all, I just dropped my phone. I would have been heartbroken. But whatever. We're on to the next case, and this case right here, on to the next. This case right here is a very obvious, it's a black case. They don't have any fancy name for this case. It's just black. And you can't go wrong with having a black case, you know. Most people might compare this to that dirty green case, but I mean, black is black. I like wearing black. Black is like one of my favorite colors, black and red, to be honest. And once again, you have your instructions. This is what the case looks like on the inside. We're gonna go ahead and pop this into that big boy. Black, you guys. So this black is not, under this ring light, this black is giving me like ashy black. It's not giving me a vibrant black like how my outfit is, the color of my outfit for this video. It looks very, very mattish, but it feels good. Like I said, these silicone cases feels real good in my hand, and it's not giving me slip vibes either. Like, you know how some cases, they just, you feel like your phone, putting on that case, your phone's just gonna slip directly out your hand. This case is very giving me real grip vibes. And I don't know if this is gonna be one of my favorite cases, just by the way, that ashy black look. I don't think I could get jiggy with it, but you guys probably can tell. Still cute though. Still cute, still cute. And you guys, we are down to our final two cases, which is the kumquat case. However you pronounce that. Kumquat. Apple, I don't know what you guys were thinking about calling this orange sherbet case, kumquat. These fancy names. Like I said, I'm going to call this the orange sherbet case because that's what it's reminding me of, some very good orange sherbet ice cream. And that orange and blue looks kind of nice, man. Orange is really not my favorite color. It just reminds me of Halloween. And like I said, the orange sherbet ice cream. But the way it looks on this phone, it's so pretty. I actually like it. I didn't even think this was going to be one of my favorites, but I did. You know, this was one of the colors that I did purchase when I first purchased these silicone cases. My least favorite colors were the white, the Cypress Green, the Dirty Army Green, and there was one more color that I didn't get because I had to purchase 3. And I want to say, maybe it was this orange sherbet color because I dang sure purchased this product red. Bam! This color right here, oh my god, I can already tell it's gonna be vibrant. Red is, you cannot go wrong with a red case. And red is my favorite color too. But this red and blue though, let's see how it looks. Let's see. Woo! Look at that. Boy, this red and blue, oh my god. This red case is just everything. The color, the way it feels, like everything. Like, I will always purchase a red case, a black case, and I don't know, probably other things. But this red case is giving me life, honey. Like, I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna always, red is my favorite color. This red case is giving me what type of vibes? Like cherry vibes, cherry red. Like, it's a very vibrant red. It's not an ashy red, you know, and it looks so good with this Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. Look at that. Look how good that looks. And I do not know the case I'm going to put my phone in first, but I'm definitely going to give these cases a run for their money because I'm going to be using every single color case that I purchased with my hard-working coins. Apple should definitely be sponsoring me for real. And this is what all the cases look like. And you guys, once again, I'm going to go through the colors. You have your product red, that cherry red vibes. Product red. You have your kumquat kumquat, whatever. You have your orange sherbet. That's what they should have called this case. And damn, this is what it looks like without the phone. You have your regular old black, that ashy black charcoal. You have your black case. You have your dirty green, your army, giving me my army vibes. Your Cypress Green in apple terms. Over here we got pink citrus, giving me that pink lemonade, very highlighter pinkish, real hot pink, real hot girl shit. But yes, it's so cute. I love this. Right here, this is one of my #1 favorites, Plum. We have that pretty plum case, and it looks like a plum color. Like, it's not giving me purple like my nails. Like, this really looks like a plum color. They picked this color perfect, and the name. Then you have your original white. I'm praying to God that this color doesn't get dirty fast, because I'm gonna be devastated. And you got your deep navy, which is like Pacific Blue .2. This is gonna be probably one of my second favorites, just because it goes so well. Just because it goes so well with my Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max. Y'all, I think I'm gonna love it. So make sure you guys leave a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think about this video. Let me know what color you're gonna choose for your iPhone 12 Pro Max. What's your favorite color? What one? Are you gonna buy all of them like I did? I mean, just let me know. Give me some more. Oh, look how pretty this looks on the side. Hold on. Oh, look at how pretty that looks. Y'all, this is so cute. I'm childish. This looks like a box of crayons in my hand. But y'all, let me know. Your girl wants to know the vibes. I want to know what you guys think about these iPhone 12 Pro Max Apple silicone cases. I want to know what color you're going to choose for your iPhone 12 Pro Max case. Are you even going to purchase an Apple iPhone silicone case? I mean, the retail price for these cases go for $49.99. Is it worth the money? Let me know. To me, my honest opinion, I believe it's worth the money. I feel like these cases will last me a lifetime. I have a huge variety of cases, but you know, you guys can find a lot of cheap ones on Amazon. And give your girl a thumbs up.
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.